you can use the Haitian Creole verb ye at the end of a sentence or question, and that's the most important thing you have to remember. So the Haitian Creole verb ye means the verb to be. So this means you can use it at the end of a sentence or question that would normally end as am, is, were, was, and so on. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say, I know where it is. Well, in Haitian Creole, that would be mwen konen ki kote li ye. And so in this case, you would use the verb ye because it ends as the verb to be in the form of is, which means ye in Creole. Now, for the beginning or the middle of a sentence or question, use the Haitian Creole verb se instead. So let's say, for example, you wanted to say, I am a student. Well, in Haitian Creole, instead of saying mwen ye yon élève, it's better to say mwen se yon élève. So again, remember, the verbs se and ye mean the same thing, but for the end, use the Haitian Creole verb ye, and for the beginning or middle, use the Haitian Creole verb se. Now you may be thinking, what about examples like how are you? Does the verb to be appear in the end? Well, in English it doesn't, but in Haitian Creole it actually does. So comment ou ye is literally how you are. Ki kote ou ye is literally what place you are. So in such examples in Haitian Creole, the verb to be really is used in the end. It's just the fact that it has to be translated in English in a way that makes sense. And so that's all there is to it. For more videos, like this, subscribe, and thanks for watching.